Well, this is the scenery that you have to put up with. This is the view outside the window of the classroom, and it's spectacular. You're surrounded by water. There's woods, there's cabins, you've got the lake, you've got the shoreline, there's eagles above, the boathouse at the bottom, all making for great scenery. This is the kind of scenery that you walk from your cabin to the classroom every day. And this scenery, this atmosphere, puts you in a perfect frame of mind. And your teacher is in a perfect frame of mind. We're all relaxed, we're all having a great time. We know this is something special, and that opens up your mind and your opportunity to learn more and have a great time. So this is one of the reasons that I wanted you to go to DILLMAN'S Sand Lake Lodge for your next workshop experience. Let me now take you inside the classroom and share with you how beautiful it is both in the classroom now that you see how beautiful it is outside.